Hey everybody, what do we have here? Looks like we got ourselves a shell of a Mustang, 65 Mustang, and my professional packing job. We are taking this Mustang cross country. If you've been following this channel for the last decade, you'll remember the 65 Mustang. I have been neglecting it. What are we doing right now? Well, stay tuned, because a little bit of a spoiler alert, we're bringing it across country so we can finish the job, get all the, look at all the parts that we need to organize. Oh my God. One of the reasons I'm making this video is because YouTube in its infinite algorithm sent me a video talking about how YouTube is creating a new show playlist. And I got to thinking, if this YouTube sitcom for me is a show, then I'm the main character, Al Bundy, Homer Simpson, in this Yosemite Steve sitcom. So why not talk about this niche of Mustangs and showcase the garage that I'm emptying out. Look at it. You can smell the fuel, the old oil stains. You can almost even see the two ghosts of the two Mustangs that used to be in here. It's a little eerie, a little sad seeing this place. It'll be emptied out in the next 2 days to go into that trailer to be shipped across country to the new location so that we can continue this niche of Mustang. And all the friends that I've made, that's why I do this YouTube channel. I don't do it to be monetized. Yeah, it'd be cool if I was making the big bucks with the sponsors and everything, but I do this so that I can re-look back at my hobbies. The installation of all the components, ripping it all out so I can see, here are all the old parts. But if I need to go back and watch a video to see what bolt size, I'm gonna be installing this electrical system. I have experience doing that with my other Mustang, the 68 Mustang, so this should be cake. But I'm excited to do that because I'm almost an electrical expert. Another thing I want to talk about is that when you're making these YouTube videos, you get a lot of backseat drivers that go, "Hey Steve, you've got too many hobbies. You've got too many things going on." And what I say to you is, I don't care. I do not care. All I'm doing is having fun, recording my fun, so I can show it to people who are interested, like-minded friends who are just as stupid as me. Zach, we both were gonna go to the drag race, but it got canceled, and I was so excited to meet up with my buddies in Tennessee that are doing like-minded things, have the same hobbies, Mustangs, Skylines, motorcycles, whatever testosterone-filled hobbies there are. So here I am putting in the work, making a video so that I can put it on the YouTube and keep all you viewers entertained, and putting my face in front of the camera to let you know I'm still here, I'm still making videos, and I want you guys to treat this like as a friendship. Leave a comment, interact. Yeah, that's basically what YouTube has become nowadays. It's just an extension of friendship, you know? 30, 40 years ago, I'd pick up the phone and call you up, and hopefully you were at home, or hopefully we had an answering machine so I could say, "Hey, Billy, come over to my house." Where nowadays I've got YouTube to keep all the like-minded people updated on what my YouTube channel is doing. So, as an update, reiterating what's going on, this garage is being emptied, and the emotion I want to portray is, it is a bit eerie, sad, but I'm gonna pick back up at a new location, a bigger garage, and hopefully I can get that Mustang done before year end. That's my goal, is to get that engine, to get that car running on its own power, so I don't have to winch it into the trailer like I did the other day, which was a pain in the ass. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment. If I have to say it twice, comment, like, or not. But this is Yosemite Steve signing off, and hopefully you enjoyed what I've done to this point, including the decades-long restoration that I've done with this Mustang.